In Excel, you will use a custom sort when you want to sort by more than one column. And in particular, we'll look at how to use a custom list within a custom sort. So we'll highlight the data, and we will sort this data by store location, and within store location, the department. So we're going to use the custom sort for that. And we'll sort by the store location and then by the department. Okay, so that within each department or within each store location, the departments will be sorted. Now, let's say, for example, you can sort the store location A to Z or Z to A, or you can use a custom list. So instead of having those in alphabetical order, either in order or reverse, let's use a custom list. And let's say we want those store locations in a different type of order. So we have Charleston, Greensboro, Las Vegas, and Wilmington. Well, let's say we want to see Las Vegas first, and then Greensboro, and let's say Wilmington, and then Charleston. So we will add that to the list, and we will say OK to all of those. So now you can see it begins with Las Vegas in our customized list order, and then with each of those, the departments are sorted as well.